What's up guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you on here. So today we're discovering another amazing discovery happening in the world right now. So humans have the same limb regrowing gene as salamanders, and scientists just discovered how to activate this. And so if you know a little bit about these lizards or these salamanders, they are some creatures which have a special gene which allows them to regrow their limbs. So whenever you cut the tail of a lizard, for example, or its arm or its limbs, they are going to regrow after a certain period of time. So there's an amazing discovery that was just made by scientists, and they have been able to discover that humans have the same gene. And beyond that, they have equally been able to see how they can reactivate this gene in human beings. So this is an incredible discovery that is sure to going to cause a lot of commotion in the world once it gets really popular. So it's very interesting. We're going to see a little bit about this in this video. So right off the bat, was able to find this article which talks a little bit about this, how scientists discovered the key to axolotls' ability to regenerate limbs. So you can imagine if we humans were able to regrow our cut limbs. So I'm sure you have maybe already come across a person with an amputated leg or an amputated arm. Maybe they lost it in an accident or something. But imagine if that person could regrow it. Well, now we have discovered that we do have this gene which can allow us to do that. And scientists just discovered how to activate this. So it's pretty incredible. The research paper is here, and the research on this is ongoing. So hopefully in the future, not too far, maybe humans will be capable of this too. Well, I mean, I can't even wrap my head around that. It's difficult to even conceive or imagine, but it's something very interesting. So currently the experiments are going on these salamanders. They are trying to understand better how this gene works and what it does. So hopefully once the research goes enough far, then they can apply the same things to humans. So we have to be careful as well. You don't want to, have people growing 3 arms or 3 legs or whatever. So we have to be careful with the research so that it does it in the right way. So already when it comes to salamanders, there's really no telling how they do it, Scientists are still studying the whole process of how that works and how it's really efficient or how it's really done in these little creatures. So they want to see and understand it perfectly well. So you can already imagine how big of a deal this will be for humans, if we're able to regrow our limbs like that. So I think there are a lot of factors we'll have to take into consideration, like the safety. Is the limb going to regrow like the previous one that was there, or how is it going to work? But this will be really, really a huge advancement in the whole medical industry, So some people might have illnesses that are touching a part of their body. So instead of us worrying how to cure that part, might just cut it off and let it regrow. So that might be an option in the future. So it's a very interesting discovery. It's it's going to change the world if it happens or if it comes to be. And we seem to be going in the right direction. So let's keep an eye out for this particular discovery. And I'm sure there are so many people that are waiting to see this come to fruition. So yeah. So let me know what you think about this particular discovery. Is this something you really want to see happen? And let me know in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching the video. Catch you on the next one.